Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Sing Mei Liao Liao or Green Plum Liao Liao, chapter 128. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Song and Fei Yu. Ele, when you're going to tell me the surprise? Oh, don't be impatient. Guess, what is it first? Song said to Fei Yu. No, she was really teasing her. Of course, I won't guess as long as it is from you. Anything is fine. Fei Yu, she is really kind to Song. She knows to herself that she can accept everything comes from Song. Now, look at them, walking in the street together with Rice Ball. Now, she was really impatient. Looking at Song, can she really tell Fei Yu about her proposal to her? Well, look at them. Oh, she seems to be cold. Song said to her, it's really getting colder, day by day, and I don't know if it will snow this year. Oh, she moved closer to Fei Yu. Now, Fei Yu, she told her, if it snow, I'm going to take a group photo and post it to the circle of friends. I have thought about it. Of the cover writing, it turns out she really wanted this song. At this moment, if this is the same snow, then this life is also considered a whitehead. Ah, you are so greasy. We can take a photo together, but this coffee is not allowed to produce. Wow. Peiyu, she moved closer to Song. Look at Rice Ball. She says that you are so sold. And I can chat with you when the time comes in the box. I will put oil on you alone. Peiyu said to her. By the way, do you still remember about Shalang? Why did you start at zero frames and suddenly thought that a high school classmate? Now, Song is asking Peiyu again. But Peiyu, of course, she was really happy teasing her. It's not that I finally thought that the department dinner was over when the first met and not existent in tears. Well, she remembered her fast. I thought that I would finally have the opportunity to be alone with you, but said someone was came along to pick you up. My boyfriends picked me up and will go back first. When I saw that person, Xiaolang, my heart was broken. And my boyfriend, that time, it wasn't raining. It was all her tears. People can see her that she was crying at the time. Oh, it makes sense. Remembering the fuss, of course, Peiyu. She really feels disheartened, especially Song at this moment. She is going to tease her. Oh, that time, I asked Xiaolang to help me, to block the rumors, and, you know, we made this person Xiaolang. But what happened to him? Now, looking at them, she was happily reminiscing the fuss back to the middle school. Then, Song Yu and Fei still on the middle school. Back then, Peiyu, she was really hardworking, also a quiet person. But Song, she was really bubbly and always walking around. Back then, Peiyu, she was busy writing. Song back then, she wanted to cut her attention, that's why she was walking back and through. Now, Song suddenly stood up in front of Feiyu. Back then, Feiyu was looking at Song. Probably she got really curious. Song stood up in front of her. Now, Feiyu, on that time, she wanted to avoid contact. Back then, she was acting and she wanted to divert attention of Song. Well, probably got really shy about her. Song, she always got curious about her. Now, she moved closer to her. Paper, you, it's almost finished. Well, Song, she got really curious about her. And she was staring at Feiyu. Turns out, you can write so fast. Why? Are you studying at night? This girl, she was really lovely. She really did ask a lot of questions, especially right now. She got intrigued with the personality of Feiyu. Feiyu, she was blushing and staring at her. She is not speaking. She was only staring at the face of Song. She really looks like she was really shy when seeing her. Now, Peiyu suddenly said, I'm memorizing the words. Well, for now, Song, she was still staring at her. Obviously, she got really confused. But suddenly, this person is calling Song. Well, this man, he really liked Song back then. And she was really into her. Well, what was Song's gonna do? I called you just now. Why are you ignoring me? You clearly heard it, and when you see it, you run away. What do you mean? What does it mean to run away when I see you? Also, I don't want to talk to you. Isn't it? I just confessed to me yesterday, so what? Well, seriously, many people are secretly falling in love. Are you not curious about this? Boy, she kept asking Song. Well, secretly falling in love. It is really amazing. Song, looking at her face, seems to be not satisfied and also, she got really not interested. Of course, right now, suddenly she stood up and wants to confront the man. When you let it go after flaying the fall, it's all sweaty, it stinks, it's too everywhere. Now, Song, she was really complaining about the smell. Also, me. Right now, Song, she going to tell him that she really don't like a man. Of course, there's someone's in her heart. Back then, she moved closer to Fei Yu and said to her, I still like this kind of soft girl, Fei Hao. Oh, she was really confessing to Fei Yu. Fei Yu, back then, she got really confused. Now, her face, it was really turning red. Song, she moved closer to her. Well, I'm alive. Turns out, Song, she was really crazy. Back then, there's a lot of things that she always do. Now, remembering this. Oh, Fei Yu, your ears are turning red. Now, Fei Yu back then, she was blushing. Fei Yu told her that it's you who get too close. I'm not used to it. Get used to it a few times, Song said to her. Again, she really hugged her tightly. You're here, that's why I can't get used by you. This girl doesn't understand. Fei Yu, she's really complaining. But right now, remembering everything from the past, of course, they're all been sweet together. Fei Yu said the Song. Well, back then, Song got really too loud, and of course, Song said to her, how can you still remember this? Is this the idea of getting the concept? This is called stating the facts, and you cannot be sophisticated. Fei Yu, she looks really happy. Alright, I'll be the one who confess first. I'll confess first. However, 10 years ago, I must have never imagined that. 10 years later, she will really fall in love with Fei Yu. Well, now, looking at Song, she looks really happy. Well, that was a good memory, the two of them, even though it was only short, because it's only started on the middle school, but back then, everything is a treasure for the two of them. Now, remembering the fuss. Poor Song, she was really grateful for this. Hey, did you thought about it? Now, she was asking Fei Yu. Song said to her, can you think of this? She is in love with Song at that moment and I made up my mind, in my heart. Oh, it was really sweet message, right? But, of course, on that time Fei Yu, she was only thinking about Song. Told herself that I must be with her. So no matter what odds and struggle coming in the present, of course, being with each other right now, relationship is really getting better. Hey guys, thanks for supporting Shu. Thank you for joining membership today. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by a Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!